Hey guys, this is Troy with Troy's Garage. Welcome back. I'm Troy, and this is my garage. This video is going to be all about not being in my garage though. So here's the scoop. Wonder what that's for. We're about to find out. First of all, before we get started, I'm a firm believer in leaving things better than you found them. When I picked the trailer up from my brother-in-law, I noticed that the driver's side brake and turn signal light was not functioning. Messing with the plug that goes to the truck, I noticed that it would come on sporadically, whatever, so I knew that my short was inside of that. So, in the process of gutting that and getting it all rewired, had to lose about 6 or 8 inches worth of wiring to pull that off, but it'll be better than I got it. You're welcome, Jeff. Big thanks to him for what this trailer's about to do for us. It's gonna be road trip time. The first leg of our road trip takes us north of Salt Lake City to Boise, Idaho, and then straight north to McCall. Me and my buddy Rig keep an eye on Facebook Marketplace, the truck listings, and this one popped up. We had only 5 pictures to look at to make a decision. What could go wrong, right? Rig decided he would contact the owner and he made a deal. Sight unseen to buy this truck. We searched Google Earth to confirm the truck existed, so we were pretty confident this wasn't a scam. The drive was a long one and we didn't get to McCall till about 10:30 that night. The next morning was a cold one, 23 degrees when we woke up. We only had 150 miles to drive further north to actually put eyes on the truck. The drive was part of this adventure. We even ran into some snow before we started down into the river bottoms where Orofino, Idaho sits. Once we got there, it didn't take long for Rig to decide this was still a good deal, even though there was plenty of ventilation holes, also known as rust. All that said, let's roll the footage of loading the truck and then let's head for home.
That was sketchy.
Little bit sketchy. Kermit D. Ford because it's green. Green and green. Kermit D. Ford. It's all strapped in, ready to roll. We got Rig back here. This is his truck, in fact. There he is.
Hey, buddy.
You think we're ready? Congrats, man. Let's hit the road. See if my airbags will pump that up a little bit though. My gosh, squatted it pretty hard. It's a heavy beast. That's awesome. Can't wait to work on this thing. The trip home we knocked out in a single day, just 607 miles. We stopped for food and gas and, well, an occasional potty break. It took us about 11 hours. Now that it's home, let's take a closer look and get this thing cleaned out. Holy crap, it wasn't recording any of that? Are you freaking kidding me right now? Yeah, so I'm freezing and I got sprayed with mud and whatever rust, whatever was in the back of the truck. They're also playing music here, so I have to pause every once in a while so I don't get a copyright strike. I thought I turned the camera on. I'm too cold to check to see if it got any of the actual washing of the truck. 40 degrees is cold when you're spraying misty water up in the air. Anyway, I got it all sprayed down and it came pretty clean. There's a couple of spots where it started to take the paint itself off. We're down to the primer in a couple areas as well. So I kind of had to just take it easy. You know, let's not get crazy. And of course, sprayed down the engine bay, underneath the hood. It's fine. it has plenty of time to dry out before I need to use it. It is on a trailer after all. I'm a firm believer in leaving things cleaner than you found them. So my last, I don't know, 2.5 minutes or so of the car wash, I spent hosing down the floor, all of this. You can see how bad it was. It was way worse than that, all the way out here. So do the right thing, leave things cleaner than you found them, and then car washes won't get mad when you come do stuff like this. Just be respectful. That's the whole point. Anyway, I'm freezing. I'm gonna get back in the truck, turn the heater on, and head for home.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.